The Helgas Stall Arms 14 rifle. A semi-automatic rifle offering both impressive accuracy and above-average power, equipped with an iron sight aperture. Although the StA 14 is technically a weapon with a low rate of attack, it is sufficient when encountering an enemy in close quarters. The reload time is approximately 3 seconds. Firing from the hip offers above-average accuracy. However, it is recommended that you use the iron sights to provide improved tracking capabilities with a slight improvement in overall accuracy. While the iron sight aperture may slightly impede your view of the target, the StA 14 is an extremely reliable weapon to use for long-distance shots. As with other projectile weaponry, firing from the hip is most effective for close-quarter engagements, as it allows you to quickly adjust your position and shot. The StA 14 is a reliable and moderately powerful weapon with respect to medium-range targets, and can easily be fired using the iron sights or from the hip. Although lacking an effective scope, the StA 14 is still an impressive rifle when it comes to long-range kills. However, you will need a steady hand to become proficient using this weapon.